CorelDRAW is a versatile and powerful graphic design software that stands out for its ease of use and wide range of tools. It's especially popular for creating vector graphics, logos, illustrations, and layouts. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer, CorelDRAW offers a straightforward interface that makes it easy to dive into creative projects. One of its main strengths is the vector editing capability. Unlike raster-based programs, vector graphics are scalable without any loss of quality, making CorelDRAW perfect for designing everything from small icons to large billboards. The program also provides a variety of drawing tools such as pens, brushes, and shapes, giving you plenty of freedom to create detailed and unique designs. Another feature that stands out is its layout tools. CorelDRAW makes it easy to manage complex documents with multiple pages or layers, which is great for designing things like brochures, flyers, and multi-page publications. The software also offers advanced color management and support for professional print production, ensuring that your designs look great both on screen and in print. CorelDRAW supports a wide range of file formats, making it easy to collaborate with other design programs and work across different platforms. You can import and export files in various formats, such as AI, PSD, JPG, PNG, and more, which adds flexibility to your workflow. Overall, CorelDRAW is a powerful and user-friendly tool for anyone in the graphic design field. Its comprehensive set of features, combined with its intuitive interface, makes it a great choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. Whether you're designing logos, brochures, or digital illustrations, CorelDRAW provides all the tools you need to bring your ideas to life.